Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yummy in my tummy. I am Eklavya and today we are making a 16 layer mango crepe cake. Wow, that sounds amazing and tasty. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to come watch this video to the end for some tasty recipe. Now let's do this. So I have got here 150 grams of butter, and I'm gonna whisk this until it's soft or until it turns white. So let's do it. Go. Oh my god, I need some adult help or adult hand. Can someone come here? Great, there's no one. I think I'll have to do it alone. Maybe my dad will come up later. Can you see that it has reached soft peaks and it's almost white? Well, I did it with an adult's help, so my effort doesn't count in it. So now I've got here 200 grams of powdered sugar, which you are gonna add to the butter, as well as 1 tablespoon of corn flour. So first let's just mix it in here. There's a lot falling happening. Not easy. Now I have to stir this with one hand and add this with one hand. Now that's a challenge. Wow. There's powdered sugar in the sky. Now you can see that the powdered sugar and butter have mixed together. Now I've got here 1 cup of mango puree, which I'm gonna whisk into this. So let's just add it. Wow. And after this, it will be an amazing mango creme. So I've whisked this with the puree, and now let's put it in the fridge. I need to chill, and this needs to chill for 30 minutes until let's just make our crepes. Now until the creme is chilling, let's make the crepes batter. So here I have 2 cups of refined flour, and I am going to add a pinch of salt, just a pinch, and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And let's whisk it up. So now I have 2 glasses of milk here, and I am going to add 1 glass of milk and whisk it so that no lumps form. Let's keep whisking this and add the 2nd glass of milk. Oh, this is gonna be messy. Now we have to add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now let's whisk it. Now you can see there are no lumps. Now let's leave it for 15 minutes and then we'll come back and make our crepes. This is gonna be yummy. Now that the crepe batter had a sit down for 15 minutes, let's first add some butter to grease the pan. So let's just add it. Wow. And now I'm going to add the crepe batter using a measuring spoon of 1/4 cup. So let's fill it up till top. And ooh. Now let's make thin crepes. Cook it on one side and flip it. Now let's flip it. Whoa. Look how tasty it is. We need to cook 16 of these, remember? Phew, that's the last crepe, which took forever. So now we have to let these cool down fully and then we'll start assembling. Now that the crepes and the creme are ready, we're going to make our cake. So I have like a bowl here and a plate here. And I'm going to set it in such a way that it's easy to rotate. Now let's take the first crepe and add a thin layer of creme. Yummy. Let's apply it nicely on here. We need to only apply a thin layer. It's gonna take a while. It's 16 layers we have to apply this on and put on perfectly. After a long time, well, I did take help from my father. So it's been a long time since we have been applying on here. It's almost done. And now we have to let it chill for some time, for an hour, and then it will be ready to go into my tummy. Now that our cake has been chilling in the fridge for 30 minutes, let's cut a slice out and see how it looks and tastes in my tummy. Look at the layers. Now let's taste it. Yummy in my tummy.